This is Puppets by Arlie. I'm Arlie, and this is how to make a toy theater. So this is my recently finished toy theater. It's a cardboard box that has been paper mache'd with some colorful construction paper on it, and my puppets for this toy theater are bamboo skewers, just regular bamboo skewers for kebabs, and then glue them to cardboard puppets that can be any type. I have a two-sided one here so that I can create some like different movement of going back and forth. Alright, so when I start making a toy theater, I am looking for something that has a nice frame space. So I tend to go for these boxes that are kind of tall and wide to make a frame, but you can make a toy theater out of literally anything. So first, I'm going to draw my frame all around. And then I'll also want to cut out the top. I'll use a 1/2 inch on either side. And then I find I like to cut right at the edge of the box. Here is my new favorite tool. It is a CANARY cardboard saw. And it's not sharp, it's a serrated knife that is perfect for cutting cardboard, and it makes it so easy, and I love it. There we have our little cardboard theater. Then you can puppeteer from the top. Now, use glue to glue everything down and let it set. All right, now I have some regular crazy glue, some white glue or tacky glue. So here is the dry toy theater, and I have some cardboard cutouts for different scenery that can be used. Also in the bottom, I want to make a groove system. I have these 2 chunks of cardboard that I've glued all together, and on a piece of cardboard that's at the bottom, that's the same size as the rectangle at the bottom, so that inside I can take a puppet and it can stand in a groove system. Now our theater is ready. Once it gets that glued down, this groove down here will be able to hold puppets on its own. You would perform like that and put the puppets into the groove, just like that. Now you could leave your theater just like this and then paint it, or I've also glued paper to it or glued an outside frame. But this one, I think I'm gonna paper mache around the frame so that it hides the seams and gives a solid thing that I can paint. All painted up. And there you have it. That's how to make a toy theater out of reclaimed materials. Thanks for watching.